Hi all, good evening. Welcome back to Manorama Horizon. Okay, today we are going to revise our third chapter. There is a pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay. So in this class, we are going to recall the basic ideas of linear equations in two variables. And we have to understand the concept of the pair of linear equations in two variables, and we have to understand how to find the solutions of a linear equations in two methods, that is in graphical method and in algebraic method. Okay. So first, what is a linear equation? Okay. If for an example, if we take an example, x plus y is equal to 5. How do we understand this is a linear equation? What is the power of x here? That is 1. And power of y is also 1. So this is a degree 1 equation. Degree 1. Degree 1 equation is a linear equation. So this is a linear equation. And here we have two variables. Good evening, Saindevi Archa. Okay. So here we have two variables. That is, first variable is x and second variable is y. So we have linear equation and we have two variables here. So this is a linear equation in two variable. And if we have another equation, x plus 3 is equal to y. For the same situation, we have two equations for the same situation for solving a problem. We have a pair of linear, then we have the pair of linear equation in two variable. So what is linear equation? That is, its degree is 1. That is, the power of the variable is 1. So the equation is linear equation, and then it comes in two variables, that is x and y. Then the linear equation in two variable, and if we have two set of equations, then we can call it as pair of linear equation in two variable. The general form of pair of linear equation in two variable is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, here a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are all real numbers, and a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0, and a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. That is the conditions. Okay, this is the general form of equation. General form. Okay. So now we have to find the solution of linear equation. We have two methods. One is graphical method and another one is algebraic method. How to find the solution of a linear equation graphically? Okay. We know that the general form of a linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the general form of a linear pair of linear equation. And let's go for an example. That is x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0, and 3x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. So we have a pair of linear equation, and we have to find the relation between each variable. Okay, so taking first variable x, and the coefficient of x and the first equation, that is here it is a1, this is b1, and this is c1. Here it is a2, b2, and c2. So what is a1 by a2 here? That is 1 by 3. Okay, and b1 by b2 is 2 by 4. Okay, it is minus 2 by 4. If we cancel it, we get minus 1 by 2. So look at the equation relation. Is 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2? No, it is not equal to minus 1 by 2. So here A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Okay, so this is our first case. The coefficients of x is not, the ratio of the coefficients of x is not equal to the ratio of the coefficient of y. Then if we represent this equation in a graph, we get some intersecting line. That is intersecting line. The first case, this is a case 1. What we explain now. So we have an intersecting line. There we have one common point. So we have one solution here. So we get an intersecting line. And we have a unique solution because it has only one common point here. Dotted as mark here. Okay. So it has only unique solution. And the equation is said to be consistent. It has solution. So the equation is consistent. Okay. Equation is consistent. So that is the first case. Moving to the second case. So the example 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. And 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0. So first is 2 by 4. Coefficient of y is 3 by 6. So here we cancel it and we get 1 by 2. Here also it is 1 by 2. And we can check the constant coefficient also here. So here also it is 1 by 2. So it's just equal. That is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Ratios of all coefficients are equal. Okay. So that is the second case. This is case 2. That is, we get a coincident line. That is one above other. We have first line here and next is over the first line. That is coincident lines. So here we get coincident line and we have infinitely many solutions because it touches on every point. Two lines touches on every point because it lies on one above other. So it touches on every point. That's why we get infinitely many solutions here. Okay. And here also the equation is consistent. Okay. Clear? Moving to the case 3. X plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. And 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. So first coefficient 1 by 2. Next is 2 by 4. And next is minus 4 by 3. So here we get 1 by 2. And we can cancel the last one. So 4 by 12. So this is 1 by minus 1 by 3. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but which is not equal to C1 by C2. That is here A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, and which is not equal to C1 by C2. Okay. In this situation, we get a parallel line. Here we get intersecting line. Second case, we get a line that is coinciding one above other. And here we get a parallel line. Okay. Last case, we get a parallel line. Case 3. We get parallel line. So here no common point. It doesn't touch us anywhere, right? So there is no solution. So the equation is inconsistent. Okay. So the equation is inconsistent. This is how we find solutions for a pair of linear equation by graphical method. Okay. Clear? Any doubts? Okay. So next is okay, fine, very good. So next is algebraic method for solving a pair of linear equation. Comparing to graphical method, algebraic method is more convenient. Okay. So we have two methods, substitution method and elimination method. Okay. Substitution, as its name says, it just substitute a value to other. Just substituting a value to other. That is, we considering a plus b is equal to 5 and a plus 3 is equal to b. We have two equations. Then we have to find a or b from any of the equation. This from 1 we can find a is equal to 5 minus b and substitute this a to the second equation. Okay, then we get 5 minus b plus 3 is equal to b. Okay, so we can find that is 5 plus 3. We can take b2 here and find b and then put the value of b in this first equation and we get the value of a. Just substitute the value. Okay, that is substitution method. And next is elimination method. Elimination method is the finding value by eliminating or removing one variable. That is, if we have the same equation a plus b is equal to 5 and a minus b is equal to minus 3 or something. Okay, then we have to eliminate one variable from this two equation. If we subtract this equation, we can eliminate this a. A minus a is equal to 0. Then we have only b here. And then after finding the value of b, then we can substitute the b to any of the equation and find a. Okay. So these are the algebraic method to solving a pair of linear equations. First is substitution. That is, we can substitute a value, finding a variable and substitute the value to the other equation. And elimination method is finding the value by removing one variable and finding the other variable. Okay. So moving to the questions. So the first question is, a pair of linear equation x plus 2y is equal to 5, 3x plus 12y is equal to 10, has unique solution, no solution, more than 2 solution, infinitely many solution. So, shall we check? The first question is, x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 12y is equal to 10. Here, a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. a1 by a2 is 1 by 3, b1 by b2 is 2 by 12, that is 1 by 4, And C1 by C2 is 5 by 10. That is equal to 1 by 2. So, here A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So, it has unique solution, right? Yeah, correct, Shisa, Aparna. So, it has intersecting lines and unique solution. The question is about the solutions. So, we have unique solution. So, it has unique solution. Okay. So the second question is the graphs of the equations 6x minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0 and 3x minus y plus 12 is equal to 0 and two lines which are coincident, parallel, intersecting exactly at one point or perpendicular to each other. Okay. Okay, Shisa, good. So we can check it from here itself. Okay. So it is 6 by 3 and 2 by 1. So 6 by 3 is 2 here is equal to, that is here A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. If A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, sorry, and which is not equal to C1 by C2. So the lines are parallel and has no solutions. Okay. Good, Aparna, Shisa. So third question is for 47x plus 31y is equal to 80 and 31x plus 47y is equal to 60. Then what is x plus y? Okay. So let's check. Question 3. That is 47x plus 31y is equal to 18 and 31x plus 47y is equal to 60. We have to find x plus y. Okay, x plus y. So we can take this as equation 1 and this is equation 2. So equation 1 plus equation 2 gives, that is 47x plus 31y is equal to 18 plus 31x plus 47y is equal to 60. So here it is 78x plus 78y is equal to 78. So we can divide throughout equation by 78. Okay. Dividing the throughout equation by 78, we get x plus y is equal to 1. So the answer is x plus y is equal to 1. Okay. Clear? Okay, very good. So moving to the 2 mark questions. So here the first question is, a larger of two supplementary angles exceeds a smaller by 18 degrees. Find the angles using substitution method. So they specifically ask that you should find the angles using substitution method. So use substitution method only. Okay. So question 1. So let's take large angle BX and small angle BY. Okay, so we have two angles, a large angle and a small angle. larger of two supplementary angles exceed the smaller by 18 degrees. That is the first condition. That is, larger angle exceeds smaller by 18 degrees. That is, the difference of these two angles is 18. So that is the first equation. And we know that here it is given that supplementary angles. Sum of supplementary angles is equal to supplementary angles. Sum of supplementary angles is equal to 180 degrees. Is it? 180 degree. So we have two angles here, x and y. Sum of those angles is equal to 180 degree. Here, x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so we got two equations. That is a pair of equation. Then we can solve. They are already given that you should solve it using substitution method. Okay, so from 1, x is equal to 18 plus y. Okay, and put x in equation 2. Okay, so 18y plus y is equal to 180 degree. Sorry, 18 plus y plus y. 18 plus y is equal to 180 degree. That is 18 plus 2y is equal to 180 degree. And 2y is equal to 18 minus 8, 162. And y is equal to 162 divided by 2 is equal to 81. So we got the answer for y. Then we can put y in equation 2. Let us put y in equation 2. That is x plus 81 is equal to 180 and x is equal to 180 minus 81. That is 99. So here the larger angle is equal to 99 degree and small angle is 81 degree. Okay, clear? Good, Aparna, 81 and 99. Okay, Sandevi, good. So, next question. 7 audio cassette and 3 video cassette costs rupees 1110 and 5 audio cassette and 4 video cassette costs rupees 1350. Find the cost of an audio cassette and a video cassette. Okay. So here we have first take audio cassette. Okay, cost of audio cassette as let cost of audio cassette as x, rupees x, and cost of video cassette as rupees y. Okay. Then what is the first condition? 7 audio cassette and 3 video cassette cost rupees 1110. That is 7x, 7 audio cassette plus 3 video cassette cost rupees 1110. So this is the first equation. And next condition is 5 audio cassette and 4 video cassette. That is 5x plus 4y is equal to 1350. That is equation 2. So we can use elimination method here because in the question they didn't specify any method to follow. So we can use elimination method. Okay. So for making it a elimination method, we have to make any of the coefficient of the variable to same value. So first we can multiply equation 1 with 4. Multiply equation 1 with 4. Okay. So we can make it as 12. 4 into 3 is equal to 12 for the variable of, for the coefficient of y. And that change the entire equation. So 7 into 4, 28x plus 12y is equal to 4440. Okay. And then we can multiply equation 2 with 3. Okay. So 15x plus 12y is equal to 4050. So now we can subtract this equation. Okay. Equation, we can name it as equation 3 and equation 4. That is equation 3 minus equation 4 implies here we get 13x plus 0 is equal to 390. And which implies x is equal to 390 by 30. So that is equal to 30. So x is 30 and we can put x in equation 1. So put x in equation 1, which implies 7 into 30 plus 3y is equal to 1110. And 3y is equal to 900 and y is equal to 900 divided by 3, that is 300. So one audio cassette cost rupees 30 and one video cassette cost rupees 300. Okay. Here. Good, Aparna. So, next question. So, in the figure below, ABCD is a rectangle. We have to find the value of x and y. So, we have a rectangle here. We have to find the value of x and y. Okay, Abel. Good. So, it's also a simple question. Third question. So, we have a rectangle. And dimensions are given 14, x plus y, 30, x minus y. So the rectangle is ABCD. So ABCD is a rectangle. So what we know about rectangle? Its opposite sides are equal. Okay. So ABCD is a rectangle. Therefore, its opposite sides are equal. Okay. So we can write x plus y is equal to 30 and x minus y is equal to 40. Equation 1 and equation 2. So here we can simply minus equation 1 minus equation 2. We get 2y is equal to 16 and y is equal to 16 by 2, which is equal to 8. And we can put y in equation 1. We get x plus 8 is equal to 30 and x is equal to 30 minus 8, which is equal to 22. Okay. So x and y are 22 and 8. Okay. Okay, Sandevi, Aparna. Okay. So moving to the next question. 3 more questions. Here, the first question is, a lending library has fixed charge for the first 3 days. For first 3 days, the fixed charge for taking a book, and after that, they take additional charge for each day. Okay, and Sarita paid 27 rupees for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. Okay. So first we have to take what we have to find the fixed charge and the additional charge. So first take let fixed charge be x and additional charge be y. Okay. So first we have to take fixed charge be x and additional charge be y. Okay. Rupees x and rupees y. Okay. Then first case, Sarida paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. She paid rupees 27 for kept that book for 7 days. Okay. So we know that for 3 days, they charge only rupees x. Okay. And after that 3 days, that is 7 minus 3, which is equal to for 4 days, they will pay rupees y. Okay. Then what will be the equation? So the equation will be x plus 4y and total rupees she paid is 27. So this is the equation 1. Okay. So next condition. Look at the question. Susie paid 21 rupees for a book she kept for 5 days. So she paid rupees 21 for kept that book for 5 days. That is, we know that for 3 days, that is rupees x. And after that 3 days, that is 5 minus 3, which is for 2 days, she have to pay rupees y. So the equation is x plus 2y is equal to 21. That is equation 2. So we get 2 equations. Now what to do? So here the first variable is x and x. So we can use elimination method. So equation 1 minus equation 2, which implies 2y is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. And then put y in equation 1. What is equation 1? That is x plus 4y is equal to 27. That is x plus 4 into 3 is equal to 27. And x is equal to 27 minus 12, which is equal to 50. So the fixed charge be rupees 15 and additional charge be rupees 3. Okay. Okay, but not good. So next question. So these are 4-mark questions. Okay. One more 3-mark question is there, I think. Yeah. The ages of two friends, Ani and Biju, differ by 3 years. And first condition given that the age of two friends, Ani and Biju. Okay, 1 second. Differ by 3 years. Okay, that is the first condition. Differ by 3 years. And next condition is Ani's father Dharam is twice as old as Ani, and Baiju is twice old as his sister Kathy. Okay, and the age of Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. So we have to find the age of Ani and Baiju. So let's check question number 2. So we have to find the ages of Ani and Baiju. So let age of Ani be X and age of Baiju be Y. Okay. And first condition is Ani and Baiju differ by 3 years. Okay. Ani and Baiju differ by 3 years. Age of Ani and Baiju differ by 3 years. That is X minus Y is equal to 3. So that is equation 1. And what is the second condition? Second condition is age of Dharam, that is father of Ani, is equal to twice the age of Ani. That is equal to 2x. And next condition is age of Biju is twice the age of Kathy. That is 2 into age of Kathy. So what will be the age of Kathy? So age of Kathy is equal to, this is 2y. So age of Kathy is equal to y by 2. Okay, next condition is age of Kathy and Dharam. Okay, age of Kathy and Dharam is differ by 30 years. 30 years. So age of Dharam is 2x minus age of Kathy is y by 2 is equal to 30. So we can write it as 4x minus y by 2 is equal to 30. And we can take 2 to here, which implies the equation will be the 4x minus y is equal to 60. So this is the equation 2. So we get two equations. Then here the first equation is x minus y is equal to 3 and second equation is 4x minus y is equal to 60. So here we can use elimination method because here we can eliminate the equation y, the variable y from two equations. Okay. So equation 2 minus equation 1. So equation 2 minus equation 1, which is implies this 4x minus y is equal to 60 minus x minus y is equal to 3. So here we get 3x. Y and y got cancelled. 3x is equal to 57 and x is equal to 19. 57 by 3, which is equal to 19. And we can put x in equation 1, which implies 19 minus y is equal to 3 and y is equal to 60. Okay. So the age of Annie is 19 years. Therefore, age of Annie is 19 years and age of Biju is 16 years. Okay. So moving to 4 more questions. So the first question is, the numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. Okay. And if the numerator is decreased by 2 and denominator is increased by 1, then the denominator is 8 times the numerator. Find the fraction. So we have to find the fraction. So we want the numerator and denominator. So let's take first, take numerator be x and denominator by. Okay, take numerator as x and denominator as y. Okay, then the fraction will be x by y. Okay, so in this question it is given that numerator is 4 less than the denominator. Numerator is 4 less than the denominator. Okay, so y is equal to x plus 4. Okay, so that is equation 1. And then it is given that numerator is decreased by 2. First condition is numerator is decreased by 2, which implies x minus 2. And denominator is increased by 1. So first condition is numerator is decreased by 2 and second is denominator is increased by 1. That is, first is x minus 2 and second one is y plus 1. Okay, x minus 2 and y plus 1. And after that, they given the condition is that then the denominator is 8 times the numerator. So then the denominator is 8 times the numerator. Okay. So now the numerator is x minus 2 and denominator is y plus 1. So that is y plus 1 is equal to 8 times. That is 8 into x minus 2. Okay. So we can simplify this equation is equal to 8x minus 16. And here y is equal to 8x minus 17. So this is equation 2. So if we subtract this equation, that is equation 2 minus equation 1, which implies y and y got cancelled. The remaining thing is 8x minus x minus 17 minus 4. Okay. Which is equal to 0 because y and y got cancelled. So from this 7x minus 21 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 21 by 7 and which is equal to 3. So we got the numerator which is equal to 3 and we can put this value of x to the equation 1 and we get the value of y. So y is equal to put x in equation 1. Y is equal to x plus 4. So that is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So what will be the equation fraction? So the required fraction is fraction is equal to x by y, which is equal to 3 by 7. So this is the fraction. Okay, clear? Any doubts? Okay, so moving to the second question. Solve the following system of equations. Yes, Andrew, sure. Sure. Okay, solve the following system of equations. So we have two equations here. Second question. So we have two equations. 8v minus 3u is equal to 5uv. And the next equation is 6v minus 5u is equal to minus 2uv. So what is our general form of equation, linear equation in two variable? We know that it is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Or a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Or a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So this is our general form. Look at this equation, 8v minus 3u is equal to 5uv. So this is clearly not a linear equation. Okay, so this is not a linear equation. So we have to convert this equation to linear equation first and then solve the equation and we have to find the values of u and v. Okay, so first we have to convert this equation to a linear equation. So what we do? First we can take this as equation 1 and equation 2. So we have to divide both equation 1 and equation 2 by the term uv. Okay, then we get 8. We got cancelled. The remaining one is u. 8 by u minus, which implies 3 by v is equal to 5. We can take it as equation 3. And next equation, 6 by u minus 5 by v is equal to minus 2. equation 4. Okay. So we can take this 1 by u is equal to x and 1 by v is equal to y. So take 1 by u and put it as x and 1 by v as y. Then equation 3 becomes 8x minus 3y is equal to 5. Now this is a linear equation, right? So 3 and 4 also a linear equation, and we have to, for more convenience, we take it as x and y. Okay. And equation 4 becomes 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 2. We can take it as equation 5 and equation 6. Okay. So look at this equation. We can solve it using elimination method by multiplying equation 5 by 3 and equation 6 by 4. So multiply equation 5 by 3 and multiply equation 6 using the number 4. Then the equation will be, which implies the first equation will be 24x minus 9y is equal to 15, and 24, next equation 6 becomes 24x minus 20y is equal to minus 8. So now we can subtract this equation, right? So we can subtract this equation and x got cancelled, and the remaining variable is y, that is minus 9y plus 20y is equal to 15 plus 8. So 11y is equal to 23 and y is equal to 23 by 11. Okay. Now we got the value for y. Then we can put this value to any of the equation, either 5 or 6. So put y in equation 5. Okay. So 8x minus 3y is equal to 5, which implies 8x minus 3 into 23 by 11 is equal to 5, and 8x is equal to 5 plus 69 by 11, and x is equal to, here, 31 by 22. Okay. So we have to find the value for u and v, right? So we get x and y here. U and v is, we know that 1 by u is equal to x and 1 by v is equal to y. Okay. So 1 by u is equal to, what is x here? 31 by 22, and 1 by v is equal to 23 by 11. So what is u? U is equal to 22 by 31 and v is equal to 11 by 23. Okay. Okay. Is this a deleted topic? Okay. Upstream and downstream questions are deleted. Okay. I don't know. Is it, this is a deleted topic. I don't know. I will check and tell. Okay. Okay. Okay, Sandhavi. So, a last question. Draw the graph of a pair of equation 2x plus y is equal to 4 and 2x minus y is equal to 4. Write the vertices of the triangle formed by this line and the y-axis. Also find the area of this triangle. So we have two equations here. Okay. So question number 3. And we have two equations here. That is 2x plus y is equal to 4 and 2x minus y is equal to 4. So we have to draw the graph of this linear equation. So we have to create table first. That is table for line 2x plus y is equal to 4. And we can take two values for x. Here it is x and y is equal to 4 minus 2x and the points. Okay. So we can take two values 0 and 2. The corresponding value of y is 4 minus 2x. The equation is 4 minus 2x. So here we get 4 and 0. We can mark it on point A and B. Next is table for line 2x minus y is equal to 4. So let's create the table. X and y is equal to 2x minus 4. And here the points. Here also we take 0 and 2. And we get minus 4 here and 0. So we can take a new point as C and 2 zeros the same point. So we can take it this as B itself. Okay. So we got the points. And if we draw this points on a graph, we get a triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Y dash, x and x dash. Okay, so the first point is we have the points A, the coordinates are 0, 4, and B is 0, 2, and C is 0, minus 4. So first we have to mark the point A. That is, for x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 4. So here is the point 0, 4, this point A. Next is 0 and 2. X coordinate is 0. No, x coordinate is 2 and 2, 0. So x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 0. Okay. So here this 2, 0, and the point is B. Okay. Next is 0, minus 4. And x coordinate is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is 0, minus 4. and the point is C. Okay. So first line is 0, 4 and 2, 0. That is the first line. 2x plus 4, y is equal to 4. That is this line. 2x plus y is equal to 4. We join the straight line which meets these 2 points. That is 2x plus y is equal to 4. And C and B joins to get the next linear equation. 2x minus y is equal to 4. Okay. So here we get a triangle. That is triangle A, B, C. For A, the coordinates are 0, 4, and B, that is 2, 0, and C, that is 0, minus 4. So what is the answer for the first question in this? Draw the graph of the pair of linear equation. Write the vertices of the triangle formed by this line. So what are the vertices of this triangle? Vertices are A, B, C, which is A is 0, 4, B is 2, 0, and C is 0, minus 4. Then we have to find the area of this triangle. 1 second. So we have to find the area of this triangle. So what is the coordinate here? 0, 0. We can take it as O. This point is O and the coordinates are 0, 0. So the area of the triangle ABC, we have to find the area of the triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 2 into area of triangle AOB. Okay. So 2 into area of triangle AOB is the area of triangle ABC. So 2 into half BH is the area, and that is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 into the base is 4 and the height is 2. That is equal to 8 square units. 8 square units is the area of the triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 8 square units. Okay. Any doubts from the questions? Saindavi, which slide you want to see? Okay, okay. Second and third slides, okay. 1 second. Okay, Saindavi, is this slide? Saindavi? Okay, okay. So this is a graphical method to finding a pair of linear equation. We have 3 cases. Case 1, we explain it with an example. So here we take 2 equations, and here A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So then the equation has only unique solution, and the line is intersecting line, and the equation is consistent. Case 2, we take an example. Here we get a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. And the equation, the lines are coinciding each other. So the equation has infinitely many solutions and the equation is consistent again. And the last case, we have a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. So here, the case 3, the lines are parallel lines, so there is no common points and we have no solution. So the equation is inconsistent. Okay, Saindavi? Okay. Okay, good. So anybody, any doubts in this section from question or concept? Okay. 2 more questions. Okay. Okay, Sandeep, you want to see the 2 more questions, right? Okay. Okay, Sandeep. Is it okay now? Anything else? Okay. So you want to see the 4 more questions also? Is it Sandeep? Okay. Okay. Okay, is it okay now? Okay, Sandeep. Very good. So that's it. So today we recall the linear equations in 2 variable and pairing the linear equations in 2 variable and solving the linear equation using both graphical and algebraic method. It's okay, Sandeep. It's okay. Okay. So thank you. Bye. Good night. Okay, Archa. Thank you. Thank you, Dakshin. Sandeep. Thank you. Good night. Good night.